The Port Authority of Jamaica commissioned its newest ship, the Jamaica III, into service on Wednesday. The newly built vessel replaces Jamaica II, which is over 40 years old. It will be used mainly in the maintenance of navigational buoys and beacons in Jamaican ports. Prime Minister Andrew Holness was among the invited guests at the official ceremony.
The Jamaica III utility vessel offers versatile, state-of-the-art solutions, capable of undertaking a wide range of duties both in and offshore, thanks to its extensive unobstructed deck space and extensive accommodation, catering for both crew and work teams. Chairman of the Caribbean Maritime University, Professor Gordon Shirley, says the new ship is a major addition to the existing fleet.
The first of its class to be deployed in the hemisphere. It is a vessel equipped with advanced technologies that provide it with great maneuverability, versatility, power, precision, which allows it to perform a range of activities that will substantially enhance the capabilities of our Harbors Department.
Prime Minister Andrew Holness says the fleet's addition is part of a greater plan to expand the country's aging infrastructure. He says it took 40 years to place the Jamaica II.
The more critical point is that it has taken us 42 years to replace that asset. There are two considerations there. The first one is that we just did not have the capital budget to do it. But the second consideration is that because we didn't have the capital budget, we were trapped into recurrent expenditure to spend on maintaining that vessel to keep it seaworthy. To the point where we probably, if we had the space, we're spending the resources, so we probably would have spent 2 or 3 times over on that vessel already, but we just didn't have the accumulated capital to make the purchase. And that's a very profound point that we all should consider about what has happened to Jamaica in the last 40 years of our 59 years of independence.
For the news on PBCJ, I'm Simone Absalom Gale.